On this episode, we're catching fish.
What kind of fish?
We are sailing to St Lucia.
That's right. Come along with us on an overnight sail to St Lucia.
No idea what that is.
Think about
Oh my goodness! Can you eat this?
Friday night here in St Lucia. We'll party in the streets and more. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah. For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
What kind of fish?
Barracuda.
Dad! That's sad.
That was cool though. Moving along. That's good. Hit like 10 and a half a little bit ago. We have 21 knots of wind at 60 degrees. That's right where the boat likes it.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight.
We are sailing to St Lucia. We're actually passing, I think it's called Montserrat, which is a big volcano that erupted like 20 years ago, I think. But passing Montserrat now, and we're making 6.6 knots. And Reese just got up from his nap. It's almost sunset. Beautiful. We're gonna keep cruising all night long. We're hoping to make it to St. Lucia in about 24 hours, maybe a little bit more. Right now we're doing pretty good. Now we're hitting 7. So, but we're gonna reef before dark. Usually we do, only because sometimes the winds will pick up at night, and sometimes you hit squalls. I don't like reefing, but we do it before dark to be safe. And then we'll just keep on sailing tomorrow. Are you having a good sail?
Yeah.
It's been great, man. We've run the engine probably maybe an hour altogether, and we've only run one engine just to kind of putt around. And then we had a little squall come by and took our wind, so we putt around a little bit then, and we were able to shut it right off. So it's been great. Full sail, making good speed. Winds are at 22 right now at 50 degrees. And we're good to go. You say peace? Peace. Say hang loose. Hang loose. Say I love you. Say nanu nanu.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes. Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Overnight sails can be a little nerve-wracking at times, but this one was nice. Good winds, fair seas, and the best company ever.
My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride sweeter to meet the one I love.
What on earth is that thing? No idea what that is. That's crazy looking.
Yeah.
Made it to St Lucia late last night, I think like 1 a.m. Anchored in the dark. That was crazy. Just pulled into a marina. It's super cheap here. It's so awesome. It's like $50 for the night for the marina, which is really cheap. So we decided to pull into the marina for a couple days, probably rent a car and explore the island. Around every day?
Yeah.
Yeah. I will take, you have a banana?
Yeah.
A banana and a mango. One banana!
Take the passion fruit.
Oh my goodness! Can you eat this?
You just cut it and eat everything there inside.
My name is Gecko.
Gregory, nice to meet you. Brittany, I love your little...
Oh, everybody.
Bye!
Alright, so bad, yeah.
I got a banana, 2 mangoes.
Yeah, mango's nice and sweet, right?
They are nice. They're very nice and sweet. And a passion fruit. I've never had one of these. This must be a St Lucia thing. At sold, I'm buying a banana, 2 mangoes, and a passion fruit in St Lucia. I've never even heard of a passion fruit, but I needed bananas and he only had 1 left. He has this really cute hut. I wasn't able to work out at all on our, I don't know, 2.5 day passage. So it's really nice waking up today with calm water and laying flat so I can work out. We decided to hop in a cab and come over to the Friday night here in St Lucia. They do it every Friday, all year round, rain or shine. There's only one Friday that they don't do it, and that's Good Friday. So just check it out, it's really neat. A lot of food being cooked on the barbecue, beers. This is our first taste of Catchin beer. It's full-bodied, it's really, really good. So the sun's going down, it's really beautiful, and we're gonna go walk around and then probably head back to the boat and cook some dinner.
We're gonna go fun.
We gon' make it wave, yeah. Everybody wave, yeah. We gon' make it wave, yeah. We gon' make it wave, yeah.
Who doesn't enjoy a party in the streets? So far, St Lucia hasn't disappointed. We are all set to cruise the coast of this amazing Caribbean island, and we're taking you along for the ride. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos. Lots of little lines. This one's our problem.
This is the freezer.
Hi! The water coming from the bamboo is 115 degrees. Coconut rum. First time we've had patrons to our boat. What kind of fish is that?
Probably a snapper.
I'm not here. I got you.
That was our first dive off the dinghy.
And dislocated my pinky. Taking a journey to the volcano.
Just beached the dinghy. There's Calypso right there.
That's nice, honey.
Okay, what were the tricks? Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How is it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it. We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.